Many survivors feared that nothing would grow on the decimated earth. By the time spring of 1946 arrived, the citizens of Hiroshima were surprised to find the landscape dotted with the blooming red petals of the oleander.
The oleander flower called the Kuchikuto in Japanese dispelled worries that the destroyed city had lost all its fertility and inspired the population with hope that Hiroshima would soon recover from the tragic bombing.
How the official flower of Hiroshima, the oleander, offer a beautiful symbol for the city and world, while some feared that the city and its population were irreparably destroyed, permanently cut off from the normal by effect of radiation. Many would be surprised to learn of the limited long-term health effect in nuclear attack on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945 had had.
One of the most immediate concerns after the attacks regarding the future of the both Hiroshima and Nagasaki was that health effects the radiation would have on the children. The surveys conceived after the bombings.
So far, no radiation related excess of disease has been seen in the children of survivors, though more time is needed to be able to know for certain.
In general, though, the healthfulness of the new generations in Hiroshima and Nagasaki provide confidence that, like the oleander flower, the cities will continue to rise from their past destruction.
The pilot of the Enola Gay, Paul Tibbets, took this photo of the aftermath. Perhaps most reassuring of this is the view of the cityscapes themselves. Among some, there is the unfounded fear that Hiroshima and Nagasaki are still radioactive. In reality, this is not true. Following a nuclear explosion, there are two forms of residual radioactivity.
In reality, this is not true. Following a nuclear explosion, there are two forms of residual radioactivity. The first is the fallout of the nuclear material and fission products. Most of this was dispersed in the atmosphere or blown away by the wind.
We shall completely destroy Japan's power to make war.
3 days later, Nagasaki is the
Some have
target,
fallen to the
with a
city as
similar
black
result.
hole. The level of radioactivity today is so low, it can be barely distinguished from the trace amounts present throughout the world as a result of atmospheric tests in the 1950s and 1960s. The other form of radiation is neutron activation.
Neutrons can cause non-radioactive materials to become radioactive when caught by atomic nuclei. However, since the bombs were detonated so far above the ground, there was very little contamination, especially in cross-to-nuclear test sites such as those in Nevada. In fact, nearly all the induced radioactivity decayed within a few days of the explanations.
Today, the liveliness of the cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki serves as a reminder not only of the human ability to regenerate but also of the extent to which fear and misinformation can lead to incorrect expectations. After the bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, many thought that any city targeted by an atomic weapon would become a nuclear wasteland, while the immediate aftermath of the atomic bombings was horrendous and nightmarish with innumerable casualties. The populations of Hiroshima and Nagasaki did not allow their cities to become the sort of wasteland that some thought was inevitable. This experience of can serve as a lesson in the present when much of the public and even some governments have reacted radically to the accident in Fukushima in the midst of tragedy. There remains hope for the future.
On August 6, 1945, during World War II, 1939 to 1945, an American B-29 bomber dropped the world's first deployed atomic bomb over the Japanese city of Hiroshima. The explosion immediately killed an estimated 18,000 people. Tens of thousands more would later die of radiation exposure. 3 days later, a second B-29 dropped another a bomb on Nagasaki, killing an estimated 40,000 people. Japan's Emperor Hirohito announced his country's unconditional surrender in World War II in a radio address on August 15. Citing the devastating power of a new and most cruel bomb. Even before the outbreak of war in 1939, a group of American scientists, many of them refugees from fascist regimes in Europe, became concerned with nuclear weapons research being conducted in Nazi Germany. In 1940, the US government began funding its own atomic weapons development program, which came under the joint responsibility of the Office of Scientific Research and Development and the War Department after the US entry into World War II. The US Army Corps of Engineers was tasked
with spearheading the construction of vast facilities necessary for the top secret program condemned the Manhattan Project. Over the next several years, the program's scientists worked on producing the key material for nuclear fission, uranium-235 and plutonium. They sent them to Los Alamos, New Mexico, where a team led by J. Robert Oppenheimer worked to turn these materials into a workable atomic bomb. Early on the morning of July 16, 1945, the Manhattan Project held its first successful test of atomic device, a plutonium bomb, at the Trinity Test Site at Alamogordo, New Mexico. By the time of Trinity Test, the Allied powers has already defeated Germany in Europe. Japan, however, was to fight to the bitter end in the Pacific despite clear indications and that they had little chance to winning in fissile between mid-April 1945 and mid-July. Japanese forces inflict Allied casualties, total nearly half those suffering in 3 full years of war in Pacific, proving that Japan had.
In order to avoid such a high casualty rate, Truman decided over the moral reservations of Secretary of War Henry Stimson, General Dwight Eisenhower, and a number of the Manhattan Project scientists to use the atomic bomb in the hopes of bringing the war to a quick end. Proponents of a bomb, such as James Barron's Truman Secretary of State, believed that its devastating power would not only end the war but also put the US in a dominant position to determine the course of the post-war world. Hiroshima, a manufacturing center of some 350,000 people located about 500 miles from Tokyo, was selected as the first target after arriving at the US base on the Pacific island of Tinian. The more than 9,000-pound uranium-235 bomb was loaded aboard a modified B-29 bomber christened Enola Gay after the mother of its pilot, Colonel Paul Tibbets.
The plane dropped the bomb, known as Little Boy, by parachute at 8:50 in the morning, and it exploded 2,000 feet above Hiroshima in a blast equal to 12 to 50,000 tons of TNT, destroying 5 square miles of the city.
国宝上の地位を変更しないことのみを条件としたい。私も同意見だよ。
すぐにでもアメリカに連絡を取って我々の真意を明らかにしなければならないね。
待て、事態は何も変わっていない。つまり国体の護持に加えて保障占領区域の制限、武装解除と戦犯処置は日本人の手に任せること、この4つの条件なしでは譲れない。そのような条件を出して決裂したらどうするのか。最後の一戦を交えるのみ。今の300万の将兵が義務の命ずる以上の戦闘を続けている。5000機の特攻隊が敵の九州上陸を阻むべく士気を上げている。敵の上陸第一陣を打ち倒すため全軍を投入すればその後が続かん。たった4日で2つの原子爆弾。2 2つの都市が一瞬にして消えたのだぞ。次は東京かもしれない。それが原爆かどうかは調査の結果を待たねばならん。その爆弾が今ここに落ちたら天皇ご一家も無事ではおられない。町は混乱し予想しえない。幸福より真に
Hiroshima's declaration failed to elect immediate Japanese surrender. However, on August 9, Major Charles Sweeney flew another B-29 bomber boxcar from T9. The clouds over the primary target, the city of Kokura, drew Sweeney to a secondary target, Nagasaki, where the plutonium bomb Fat Man was dropped at 11:02 that morning, more powerful than the one used at Hiroshima. The bomb weighed nearly 10,000 pounds and was built to produce 22 kiloton blast. The topography of Nagasaki, which was nestled in narrow valleys between mountains, reduced the bomb's effect, limiting the destruction to 2.6 square miles. At noon on August 15, 1945, Japanese time, Emperor Hirohito announced his country surrender in a radio broadcast. The news spread quickly and victory in Japan or VJ Day celebrations broke out across the United States and the Allied nations. The formal surrender agreement was signed on September 2 aboard the US battleship Missouri, anchored in Tokyo Bay.
Atomic bomb surveys are referred to in Japanese as hibakusa, which translates literally as bomb affected people. Sasaki has become a leading symbol of effect of nuclear wars. Sasaki is also a heroine for many girls in Japan. A story is told in some Japanese school on the anniversary of the Hiroshima bombing dedicated to Sasaki. People all over Japan celebrate August 6 as the annual Peace Day.